Yeah.
Not bad. You take the average of all three. Very consistent. Yeah, boy.
Okay, let's go. All right, let's talk about how much power this made and what engine mods it has done to it to make the kind of power that it made. Quick. The first engine mod is the 5.5-inch VRSF Intercooler. Pop this thing. All right, under the engine bay, we have a stock intake. We have a VRSF charge pipe on this side. Already told you about the intercooler. We have a Catless Downpipe, also by VRSF, and that's it. That is all the engine mods done to this car. There's been a couple maintenance stuff I've done, but overall, this car, other than the tune, which is a Bootmod Stage 2 E30 tune. So this is on the E30 map. That's why it made a little bit more power, but for the most part, this thing has basic, simple bolt-ons, stock turbo, and it made, well, I'll show you in just a minute on the graph exactly how much it made, but 425 wheel horsepower. So it's kind of a crazy amount just for those 3 mods. And then even the charge pipe is more so a maintenance mod. So let's go ahead and dive into those dyno numbers. Right, here are the power figures. We have for run 2, which was the best run, 424.1 horsepower and 457.1 torque, which is honestly pretty good numbers for Stage 293. Most people are getting around 400 horsepower. Now I'm going to talk about these runs right now. So basically, the reason why we had so many runs was because these were the best runs out of all of them. And what went wrong was this car was actually kicking down into the next gear. And so basically, because of that, we couldn't get an accurate power number because it would kick down in like 5,000 RPM and not be able to complete the run. So what we went ahead and did is did some more runs where the car did not kick down, and these were the best runs. So let's go ahead and look at run 6. It was 396 horsepower, 423 pound-foot of torque. And then run 7, which was 412 horsepower and 437.4 pound-foot of torque. So basically, you can assume after 7 runs, I think this was the last run, so you can assume probably some heat soak in there, but averaged all together, it is probably more like a 410 horsepower range, something like that. But the car was not cooperating properly on the dyno, so I really do not know if these are accurate power numbers, just because it was kicking out of dyno mode 1, and also it was kicking down in gears, so we had to choose these 3 runs right here. But for peak power numbers, 424 and 457, pretty good for this car, honestly. So I'm pretty happy with the way that this car has turned out. Only 3 mods and a simple off-the-shelf tune has brought this car to that much power. It is the N55. Like I said, I've done some maintenance on the car, but not much. So overall, a great car, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video, as well as the specs that I put up for my friend's car, and I'll leave his Instagram down in the description as well. His car is very sick as well. So hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.